Hi, this is James from Cold Air Inductions. Today we are going to be installing an Elite Carbon Cold Air Induction System on a 2017 Plus ZL1 Camaro. These are the tools you will need for this installation. Flathead Screwdriver, T20 Torx, pliers, 3mm Allen wrench, a 2.5mm Allen wrench, a 10mm socket and ratchet.
Turn off the ignition and allow the engine bay to cool off. Open the battery access panel in the trunk on the passenger side. Disconnect the negative battery cable with the 10mm socket and ratchet. Detach the MAP sensor cable clip gently with a screwdriver. Locate the MAP sensor, remove the 2 screws with the T20 Torx driver. Note, do not remove the wire harness from the MAP sensor. Doing so will cause the check engine light to come on. Gently pull the MAP sensor from its housing. Loosen the worm clamp on the throttle body using a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm nut driver. Pinch the gray clips to remove the quick disconnect tube from the top of the PCV port. Gently remove the existing airbox and intake tube. Reinstall any of the 3 OEM grommets that may have stayed attached to the factory airbox assembly. Place the filter on a table with the open side up. Attach the intake tube and begin putting the 6 button head screws in place. Once they are all in place, screw them down with a 3mm Allen wrench. Insert the tube filter assembly into the airbox, making sure to align the MAP tube properly. Connect the hump coupler to the throttle body with the arrow facing up. Make sure the side that has lettering is facing the throttle body and the clamp screws are accessible for tightening. Tighten only the clamp nearest the throttle body with the flathead screwdriver. Gently push the MAP tube into the hump coupler and lower the air induction housing into its position. Seat it securely in the 3 mounting grommets. It should line up perfectly and have a snug fit in your engine bay. Tighten the screws on the hump coupler nearest the intake tube. Reattach PCV tube. Install the MAP sensor into the housing. Tighten the 2 button head screws with a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Slowly lower your hood and check for clearance. Reattach the negative cable on the battery and reinstall the access panel. Now it's time for a test drive.
This concludes the installation. Please like us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.